Was that you or me?
That's me. I'm.
I love how the little tiny little speck slowly try to drop.